The innovations got to come at the right time. At one point in time, our innovation was moving so fast, it was moving faster than the market. So our sustainability levels were hitting levels that the market didn't ask for and the market wouldn't pay for. So we had to slow our innovation process down and go more methodically through that innovation to launching a concept design development launch to a market rather than here we go, it's out there and it's on the website, you can order it. So now we methodically launch our innovation of products, and then everything is now sustainability wise, because it's a sustainable product in itself, the LED. Now it's about the efficiency gains from going from 100 lumens a watt to 150 lumens per watt. Now sustainability and efficient wise, we're going to 180 lumens per watt. So we're looking at that growth within the efficiency of the product to meet those sustainability goals. One example of that is, did a project for a customer 10 years ago, and 10 years ago, an LED fixture, a 100-watt LED fixture was 90 lumens per watt. So that was 9,000 lumens for a 100-watt fixture. We went back to the same customer and did his lighting again at 180 lumens per watt, and we still saved him 50% in energy, changing from an old LED to a new LED. And when we were done sustainability-wise, the innovation gave him his lighting and efficiency and energy savings. The sustainability of that product, he had no hazmat to throw away, recycle, etc. He was able to take those old LED fixtures, put his electrical products in one bin and his aluminum in the other. Several years ago, we had a competitor, and we both were having the same problem with the drivers that were being used in products, because everybody was using a similar driver back then. And we got with one of our key driver suppliers, and we didn't have the volume in that product to really drive it, but we collaborated with a competitor of ours because they were having the same issues, and said, listen, we want to work with the driver manufacturers to eliminate this issue. And the driver manufacturers, with their volume, because they were a bit larger than we were at the time, along with our recommendations, and tested both products, and we kept collaborating till the driver manufacturer finally installed what was needed to eliminate the issues both companies were having. While we drove that from our side from a quality standpoint, we also drove that driver manufacturer to improve his quality to everybody in the market. The most ambitious goal for CPS is to continue growing and developing our people, our process, and become not just a top 10 supplier, but become a top 5 supplier. And that's the next goal. And we try to begin with the end in sight. We're not trying to be a $1 billion company, but we want to be the right company for the right customer. The technology has changed so much from when we started the business years ago, just in the LED diodes themselves becoming more efficient, the advanced controls becoming a part of things that we didn't even have controls for LED 10 years ago. And now with the smartphone technologies that we have today, you went from having to go to a facility and hit a light switch with your hand to turn the light on and off to, let me turn my lights on before I get to work so it'll be bright and everything will be fine. So that technology side of things, we think that's where the next generation of things are going to continue to develop. And that's going to be the control side, and technology is just going to get bigger and bigger. So the AI place is its own technology. As the AI gets refined and you find the people who can actually leverage AI and build you what you need, I think it opens your internet opportunities up substantially. And then the other technology that we see emerging is batteries, because the battery backup systems that people need in their life safety of their facilities today, where a battery lasts 90 minutes and it shuts off. As the battery technologies continue to improve, life safety won't become an issue, and it won't be a 90-minute piece. It'll be able to sustain the lights on completely through AI and a battery that ties it together. I think that's probably coming from a life safety organization, utilizing AI to control the batteries in emergency systems. One of the things we do, Jordan and I have a quarterly meeting where we vet opportunities and products that we see in the marketplace and how it may or may not impact the business, or if it's something we need, or if it's something we look into. And then Jordan, who is our product manager, we review those things in detail. We also attend the shows every other year just to see what's new and coming out that we should understand better. And then we also are tied heavily with our vendors on technologies they want to bring to us as enhancement in their drivers or the chip boards or whatever their technology is that we use, heat sinks, whatever the capabilities they have. As they leverage technology as well, we look to our vendors and as well as ourselves to push each other to drive the technology to its best use for us.